Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warrantywise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Ford Kuga for a little test drive. Keyless start on these, so foot down on the clutch, press the engine start stop button there, car fires up very nicely, slip it into first gear and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. The clutch and the gearbox feel good. Get it through all 6 gears, no issues there. The brakes feel nice. Steering feels great. So the car is driving spot on as it should. You've got fantastic specification on the Titanium model anyway, but this one's also got a couple of extras. Got the sat nav on display there that you can see on the video. Rear parking sensors, rear parking camera as well, which is part of the sat nav package. On the Sony multimedia system, you've also got DAB radio, as well as FM and AM and CD player. Auxiliary input, USB ports, plus Bluetooth for both your mobile phone, hands-free, and for audio streaming. So loads of different ways to connect your devices. Really comfortable half leather seats, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have it a different temperature to the driver should they wish. Plenty of power to get up this steep hill. I think this lorry's about to show you how steep it is. They're struggling up. There you go. But yeah, no issues in this car if this lorry wasn't in the way. Also a lovely leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control down here. Automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers. So yeah, the car's got loads of specification. Electric windows in the rear as well as the front. It's a really spacious car as well. Loads of room for passengers and driver and people up front. Plenty of boot space as well. Really lovely high up driving position. So yeah, just a really nice car all round. And yep, there's the reversing camera. I've just put it in reverse to show you that. Also gives you the audio beeps from the parking sensors and red, yellow and green squares as well. But yeah, I hope that's been useful for you. Thank you for watching. You take care and bye for now.